Hey guys, back with you with another Halloween nail tutorial. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do some pumpkins on your nails. They're very easy and very cute. To get started, you're going to apply a base coat, then you're going to apply a white nail polish. Then you're going to apply an orange nail polish. I'm using one from Revlon. I didn't really like the consistency or the pigment of the color, so I wanted to use a different one on top. I used one from Maybelline and just to add a little bit more color to it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get a toothpick. You're going to grab a green nail polish and you're going to do some lines or some leaves on top of your nail bed. I'm going to be using these very cute pumpkin face stickers, and to use them you're going to cut them first of all, then you're going to remove a plastic protective cover that comes on the top. Once you remove that plastic cover, you're going to place it on top of your nail and you're going to be needing some water. So what I do is I dip my finger in water, and whatever my finger grabs of just a bit of water, I put it on top of the sticker. Then it's going to slide off. That easy, guys. It's kind of like putting one of those body tattoos with water. This is pretty much what it is here. Remove the plastic cover, place it on your nail, then add some water and just slide it off. I'm going to be leaving in the description box below a link to where I purchased these stickers. You can always hand draw your little pumpkin faces with a toothpick or a nail brush. And to finish off this design, just apply a top coat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more nail videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!